Becoming a master. Avoiding plagiarism with detection tools. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to tackle an incredibly important topic, especially in the academic and professional world: avoiding plagiarism. More specifically, we'll focus on how to effectively use plagiarism detection tools. If you're writing a research paper, an essay, or even an article, you'll find these tools extremely helpful. Before we dive into using plagiarism detection tools, let's quickly define what plagiarism is. Plagiarism is the act of using someone else's words, ideas, or work without giving them proper credit, making it appear as if it's your own. This is not only unethical but can also lead to severe consequences in both academic and professional settings. Plagiarism detection tools play a crucial role in maintaining academic integrity. They scan your document and compare it with millions of other documents available online, databases, journals, articles, and books. They help us identify any parts of our work that are too similar to existing sources, so we can revise them and avoid plagiarism. Using plagiarism detection tools is typically a straightforward process. Most tools require you to upload or paste your document into a designated area on their website. After scanning your work, the tool provides a similarity report, which shows how much of your document matches with existing sources. Remember, these tools are not perfect and may give false positives. So, while they're a great help, it's crucial to use your judgment and apply proper citation practices when writing. Using plagiarism detection tools comes with a plethora of benefits. They 1. Ensure originality by identifying any unintentional similarities in your work. 2. Prevent academic dishonesty by discouraging direct copying from existing sources. 3. Support learning and skill development as they encourage more original thinking and effective paraphrasing. 4. Save time by doing a lot of heavy lifting, comparing your work against a vast amount of information in a short time. And there you have it. We've covered what plagiarism is, how plagiarism detection tools work, and the benefits they bring to your academic or professional life. Remember, originality is valued in all walks of life, and it's always better to give credit where credit is due. I hope this video has given you the insight you need to use plagiarism detection tools effectively and ensure your work's integrity. Keep learning, and see you in our next video.